My phone case absolutely just fell apart. This was the only piece I could actually rescue from it, so I thought I'd do something just to upcycle it for the moment so that it protects my iPhone. Otherwise I'm going to be clumsy, I know, and just drop it. So I thought I'd put something on the back of it just to make it look a little bit prettier than it does, in it, rather than how it's looking right now. So I thought I'd just share with you how I'm doing it. So I just took some card from like my little crafting stash and drew around the outside of the phone case. I decided to go with this colour card because it complemented the sides of the phone case, so I thought it blended in rather well. So as you can see, I'm just cutting out the shape now from the card. I'm just sizing it up against the phone case just to make sure that it's as accurate as I could get it. And then what you're going to see me doing is I need to cut out a little hole in the shape of the camera for the phone so that when you stick the backing onto the back of this phone case, I can still use my camera. So that's what you can see me doing just here. So I decided that I was happy with that. So it's now time to get the Mod Podge out. And what you'll be seeing me doing is I'm going to first put some Mod Podge onto the back of the phone case, and then I will add Mod Podge to the back of the card before just putting them one on top of the other, just laying it on place on the back of the phone case. So you can see I'm just sort of like moving it around just to get it into the right place. And now I'm just putting some Mod Podge on the top of the card just to sort of seal it, and then I'm going to just leave it to air dry. Once it had dried, I just trimmed around the edge just to make sure that there weren't any raw edges showing. Here we are then, guys, so it's all dry now. So I'm just going to pop my phone into this. So there's my phone. So I'm just going to pop it into the case. That's my little dog Oscar, who unfortunately has passed away now. And so there we are. So that's my phone actually in phone case. So let's just turn it around. And it looks okay, doesn't it? You know, I can still use the camera properly and everything. So I just thought, rather than go out and buy one, for now, let's just manage with this. I'll see how I go. And then, you know, if it starts to come off or I don't like it for whatever reason, I'm not happy with it, I will go and get another phone case. But for now, this one will definitely do. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Whoops. I'm really happy with it. So it goes to show what you can do just to save a few pounds here and there, right?